To download and install GTA 4 legally on PC, use the official Rockstar Store or Steam. This video uses Rockstar's own route. Open the official GTA 4 Complete Edition store page and make sure the selected platform is Rockstar Games Launcher. Complete the purchase with the Rockstar account you want to use. Then install Rockstar Games Launcher from Rockstar's official website. Sign in with the same account, open Games, go to My Library, select Grand Theft Auto 4, Complete Edition, and click Install Now. Choose your install location, confirm, and let the download finish. When the button changes to play, launch the game and wait for the main menu. The Complete Edition includes GTA 4 Plus, The Lost and Damned, and The Ballad of Gay Tony. If you own an older physical copy with a valid activation code, Rockstar also documents a redeem code route, but that is separate from this digital installation. Once the main menu loads, the install is complete.